Getting a good clean impression with a branding iron doesn't need to be a hit or miss proposition. I'm going to show you a few techniques and tips today on how you can get a good clean imprint with your iron. Now, if your branding iron is thermostat controlled, you're going to have a little bit easier of a time. My iron has to be heated by propane or by a hot wood stove or something like that. So what I've discovered is that by using a handheld laser thermometer, I can tell which temperature is best for my branding iron for the particular wood I'm using it on. I found that raising the temperature to 235 degrees minimum to about 265 to 275 maximum is about what you want to get a really good imprint. The second thing you want to do, if at all possible, is to use your drill press, because that'll give you evenly distributed heat across the whole imprint. The third thing you need to do is lightly mist with a little bit of water. That's going to help dissipate some of that heat that's going to go to the surrounding wood and allow the image itself to be burned into the wood without burning everything around it. You'll probably want to do a couple of test pieces just to make sure that the brass is situated right where you want it on your piece before you mark it, especially if it's something like this decorative board. I have to make sure that my propane is going up and not against my board. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now normally 10 to 12 seconds is going to be just about right to get that heat. Okay, I forgot to add the water. Fortunately, the impression that I got is still okay. I'm satisfied with it. It could have been a little bit better, but I probably should have brought it closer to the 275 and made sure I had misted the board before I did the impression.